Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a small snowflake pattern titled Zimni snowflake pattern. For this I used my Magic Needles 3-ply cotton yarn and a 1.75 mm tulip steel hook. So this is a very fast to complete pattern and it is only a pattern of 2 rounds, and this can be used as small embellishments on all your projects. Let's go into the video without any delay. Chain 9, now slip stitch to the first chain and form a ring. Now chain 4 counts as one treble. Now place 4 trebles into the ring. Chain 4, 5 treble 5 times, all into the ring. Chain 4 5 trebles, chain 4 5 trebles, totally 5 times, all into the ring. I shall complete and get back. Completed the repeats now. Chain 4, now slip stitch to the 4th chain of the first 4 chains here. So if you are not sure, you can count from here. This is the 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd. So we have to slip stitch into these 2 loops. Okay. So every chain is made up of 3 loops. So top 2 we have picked up. It looks little cumbersome, yeah. Yes. Now slip stitch into the for round 2. Don't turn your work. For round 2, slip stitch into the next 4 trebles on top of the next 4 trebles. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. My hold on my hook is very loose. I hold my hooks very gently. I don't hold it like this. Okay. Now slip stitch into the chain space. Chain 2, 1 half double crochet. Chain 5, slip stitch to the first chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Again chain 5. Totally 5 times you have to do. Chain 5, slip stitch to the first, chain 5, slip stitch to the first 5 times. Sorry, you have to chain 5, slip stitch to the first 3 times and then slip stitch to the previous half double crochet. Now again one half double crochet into the chain space, chain 7, slip stitch in the third chain from the hook. So 1 2 3 here. Now chain 5, slip stitch to the first chain two times. Having repeated twice, it's SC in the next two chains of the 7 chains that we did, one each. After placing one SC each on the next two chains, place a half double in the following chain, and then half double into the chain 4 space, now chain 5, slip stitch to the first chain 3 times, so like we did for the first petal. Having repeated thrice, slip stitch to the last stitch needle here, HDC chain 2 into the chain space here. So having made this petal will look petal or flake. This will look like this. Okay. Now slip stitch into each of the next 5 trebles. Slip stitch into next chain 4 space and work the snowflakes in the same manner as we did for the first one. So every time you complete it, slip stitch to the next chain space. Okay, you'll be slip stitching in each of the next 5 trebles going over this. So complete the next 5 snowflake petals and get back. I've completed the rest of the 5 petals, and then I did my last slip stitch on each of the last 5 trebles here and slip stitched into the first slip stitch we started with and did the invisible join and fastened off. Okay, so we complete the Zimni snowflake. This can be used for several projects in crochet. It can be used as small decorative motifs on your dresses too. So thank you friends for viewing this small video. Hope you liked it. Do like and share our videos. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet done so. If you happen to be the first time viewer too, please subscribe, like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.